Welcome to Big Talks Business. If you're a business owner who wants to save time, reduce stress, and grow faster, this video is for you. Today, we'll show you how AI can automate your business in 2025, making your daily tasks easier and more efficient. So, what exactly is AI automation? Simply put, it's using artificial intelligence software to handle repetitive tasks. The kind of work that takes up your time but doesn't need your personal touch. Think answering customer questions, scheduling appointments, invoicing, and more. AI does this automatically and without mistakes. Why does this matter for you? Because as a business owner, your time is your most valuable asset. AI automation saves you hours every day by taking care of routine tasks. This means less stress, fewer errors, and more time to focus on growing your business or enjoying life outside work. Here are some real AI tools you can start using right now. ManyChat, a chatbot tool that talks to your customers 24/7, answering questions and helping with sales. Calendly automates your meeting scheduling, so you never have to go back and forth on emails. QuickBooks automatically handles your invoicing and tracks payments, keeping your finances organized. These tools are easy to use and don't require technical skills. Getting started with AI automation is easier than you think. First, identify the tasks you repeat every day, like answering emails, booking appointments, or sending invoices. Then, pick one AI tool to handle that task and try it for a week. Encouraging. Start small and build from there. Excited. Within a few weeks, you'll save hours of time and see real results in your business. Energetic. Subscribe to Big Talks Business for more AI tools, automation tips, and smart strategies to grow your business in 2025 and beyond.